680 News business editor Kris McCusker joins us this morning, and guess what? She got some sleep last night. Good morning, Kris.
Yay!
Yay!
Yes, I did. Yes. Much better day today.
Good for
Yesterday
you.
was tough, and you know what? Going home and staying awake until bedtime, that was tough too.
So you don't even nap?
No.
Oh.
No. Oh, you take naps, eh?
I think I take I turn on Ocean's 8 and then I nap during Ocean's 8. It's just very calming. Okay.
Whatever works for you.
Exactly. Maybe try that today. Watch Ocean's 8.
All right,
Nap for an hour or so.
I'll consider it.
Okay, let's talk about investors waiting on inflation data out of the U.S.
Yes, this is a highly anticipated report, Faiza. We've been hearing a lot, especially out of the U.S., in Canada as well, but a little more so stateside, about the cost of what I like to call stuff and things going up in many categories. Of course, this inflation data is going to be key for the U.S. Federal Reserve as it continues to sort of chart this path towards economic recovery in the U.S. Now, at the same time, we are seeing COVID cases rise stateside. So that potentially is a downdraft on that economic recovery. Now, having said that, we've got little movement on futures markets in the U.S. this morning. We did see records on Wall Street and on Bay Street yesterday. And then the price for oil steady, at least so far, was up by about 3% yesterday. And we're going to get new data later this morning. We did get sort of a hint of what it might show. Data out of the U.S. last night did show a drawdown in crude and gas supplies. Generally, a drawdown is good for the price for oil, although it's a good, bad story, I guess, around oil, depending on your perspective. So steady as she goes, and markets sort of treading water ahead of this data today.
Okay, and a big earnings report from Coinbase, which operates a cryptocurrency exchange platform. We've been hearing a lot about cryptocurrency these days.
Yeah, cryptocurrency is really gaining in popularity. We're continuing to hear more and more about it. So we did get earnings in from Coinbase, and the company absolutely crushed expectations. Some pretty big numbers. We're talking about $1.9 billion in transaction revenue in the second quarter. The company also surprised analysts with significant growth in the number of users, 8.8 million monthly users, and Faiza, that's up 44% from the previous quarter. So that illustrates it right there. Coinbase also generated $2 billion in net revenue. Now, the company did not offer any formal guidance for the upcoming quarter. It does expect it will be lower than the second quarter. So initially, the stock tanked in after-hours trade. It has recovered. We are seeing a slight gain in Coinbase so far this morning. The stock up by about 17% over the last 5 days. And then Bitcoin also moving slightly higher so far this morning.
Wow. Okay. I always tell people, get on the TikTok. It is the future. And now apparently you could use it to apply for a job because video resumes are a thing.
Video resumes, it seems, are a thing. Yes. So TikTok launched this sort of pilot project, we'll call it. It is video resumes. And it was launched in July, and it's designed to help connect companies like Canada's Shopify. It has been so popular, Faiza, with 20-somethings that some suspect LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook may soon launch their own versions. Now, this actually all got started because of the popularity of Career TikTok channel, which I did not know was a thing. That's made up of user-submitted videos touting career advice, like how to ask for a raise, that kind of stuff. And clips on that channel have been viewed more than 340 million times. So yeah, people are going to TikTok for job advice, and why not video resumes?
Hashtag FYP. Do you know what that stands for?
No.
For your page.
Ah.
You're not on the TikTok, are you?
No, I am not.
You better get on the TikTok.
I will admit to it. Now I feel like I'm behind the curve. So
yeah, you know, it takes like 90 hours to make one video, so it's pretty much a job, a full-time job on its own.
Oh, all right. Well, I'll consider that. Maybe I'll do that or watch Ocean's 8 today. I'm not sure yet.
One or the other. And you know what? Do one of those dances on TikTok, you know?
Oh, I don't know if anyone wants to see that.
I'll be there for it. Kris McCusker, I got my eye out waiting for your TikTok. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Have a good day.
Likewise. Your time now, 6:18 a.m. With the Tokyo Games now behind us, calls are intensifying for a boycott of China's Winter Olympics in Beijing that are just 6 months away. More on that after the break.